I now have the honor to invite His Excellency Desmond Mckenzie, Minister of Local Government and Community Development of Jamaica, to deliver an address.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, Your Excellencies and distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be here at this global platform for disaster risk reduction. The Jamaican delegation thanked the United Nations Office of Disaster Risk Reduction and the government of Switzerland for the excellent organization of this conference and the hospitality that has been extended to us here in Switzerland. Eye on Jamaica's agenda for sustainable economic growth and for building a country that will resist disaster. There are a number of initiatives that the government of Jamaica has been undertaking. Disaster Risk Reduction Initiative, national projects and programs being designed and implemented, including measures which signals the importance of disaster risk management to the government and people of Jamaica. Jamaica, a small island developing state, is experiencing the effects of climate change and the after effects of significant historical loss due to natural disasters. We have endured 35 hurricanes since the start of the 20th century, 24 in the 20th century, and 11 since the year 2000. Building resilience is therefore imperative to our ability to respond effectively to the challenges of our geographical location. Our tourism, agriculture, mining, and a wide sector of services are amongst the most challenged when it comes on to the question of climate change. And Jamaica is initiating measures which include mitigation, climate change adaptation, and research. The Disaster Risk Management Act of 2015 and the Building Act of 2019 provide the legal framework in which disaster risk reduction is being implemented at a national and parochial level. Through the Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM), Jamaica has made significant strides in forging local and regional partnership in promoting a comprehensive disaster risk management approach in collaboration with the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency. Accordingly, Jamaica has embarked on several initiatives, such as the development of a comprehensive disaster risk management policy, which seeks to integrate disaster risk management and climate change adaptation measures across all sectors, and operate as an overarching document to guide disaster risk management locally. The implementation of a contingency credit facility through partnership with the Inter-American Development Bank will provide a layer of financial supporting opportunities in response to disaster events. 4 priority actions in the Sendai framework are evident in the projects and programs currently being implemented. These include the pilot project for climate change resilience, aimed at improving our climate data and information management system, the adoption program and financial mechanism will allow for the development of a national spatial plan, among other initiatives, garner at strengthening institutional capacity within the fisheries and housing sector. Jamaica Disaster Vulnerable Project has been designed to improve disaster and climate change resilience and implement risk reduction measures across the island. The program on the forest seeks to assess the health of the mangrove ecosystem and evaluate the mangrove ecosystem as a natural coastline protection system. The Resilient Island Program seeks to integrate nature-based resolutions in developing a plan in order to provide physical protection from future storms and to reduce the recovery time through proactive environmental management. Ladies and gentlemen, as the country prepares to host the 7th Regional Platform of the Americas and the Caribbean in Montego Bay in July 2020, our time together will assist in strengthening our disaster risk reduction agenda. Disaster risk reduction is essential to Jamaica's economic growth, and in this regard, will provide protection to Jamaica's most vulnerable. The continued support of regional and global community is needed in our efforts if we are to sustain a tangible economy and achieve the results we so desire. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the statement on behalf of the government of Jamaica. I thank you.